Dirt and Rust here. Went to the flea market today. It was a nice day today. It's a Wednesday flea market, and it was nice to get out there and find a few cool items. So let's get right to it. I'll show you. Alright, first off we got a pocket knife. I haven't researched these or anything, so I don't know if they're valuable or not, but I did pay, oh shoot, hang on, I did pay, I paid $4 for this one. This is an Imperial. It's in pretty rough condition, but I like it. Blade's not too bad. It's got the long nail pull. It would have been nice if both sides were like this side. And, this one's got the leather punch here. And it's kind of like a small scout knife, this one. Anyway, I got that one. Definitely happy with that. Let me get my glasses on. Okay. I got this one. Very strange looking one. It just has an interesting look to it. It's really worn out. The blade's pretty much done. And it's got the bottle opener screwdriver there. Let's see who it's made by. This one's made by Camco, U.S.A. The guy I got them from said they were like, he thought they were from around the 40s. Did I say this is an Imperial? Okay. Okay, and then I got this one. Those were each $4 a piece. This one was $3. Another Imperial. Kind of like basically like a 2-blade penknife or something. Okay. And let's see, I picked up this old lock. Is that focusing? Yeah, I don't know if it's focusing here. This is a, it says here, 6-lever Sargent U.S.A. lock. Isn't that a cool one? I love it when I can find an old lock. I paid $5 for that. Alright. And I got an old pulley. This is really cool. It says Lockport Block Co. Made in USA. Wait, Boston and Lockport Block Co. When I get a pulley, a lock, and some pocket knives on the same day at a flea market, that's a good day for me. So it was really a really nice day for me. Nice to get out and about. And I picked up just a couple of older wrenches. I don't know. I'm gonna look up the names on them. Just have a little style to them, so I just picked them up. 50 cents for the pair. Made in USA. Little wrenches. Okay, and I got this here. It says the Star Hacksaw. Clemson Brothers Incorporated. Middletown, New York, USA. Isn't that a cool tin? Open it up here. No hacksaw in there, but I got this little thing that probably would have held the blades, I'm guessing. Oh, there is I didn't even see it. There is a little hacksaw in here. Okay. Okay. Anyway, that's the last of my items. I will put some close-up pictures at the end of the video. So stay tuned for those, and thanks for watching. Bye.